Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed construction of the PMSM motor and principles of operation. And today topic we have to discuss states of the operation of PMSM and its KVL equation, its torque equation, and type of the operation is performed. Okay. So it's in state analysis we have two parts: steady state analysis and dynamic state analysis. In steady state, that is speed is constant at synchronous speed. In dynamic state, speed is varying, that is speed control operation can be performed. Because in AC machines, that is synchronous motor part, we have only we use synchronous motor as a steady state condition. Because if the disturbances occur in the synchronous motor part, there is a hunting operation, and after steady state hunting operation goes out and synchronous motor run on synchronous speed. The advantage of PMSM motor, that is speed control operation can be performed. That's why it is more useful and its application is more industry purpose. So for the steady state and dynamic state analysis, we have two parts, that is stator part and rotor part. Rotor part has a permanent magnet, and stator part we give a supply by the current source inverter, which is sinusoidally excited. Okay, that is, we give a current source to the stator fed winding, which generates a back EMF, which is also sinusoidal part. So for the steady state analysis, IS current source from the inverter, that is stator current injected into the stator winding, and it should be sinusoidal. This is the equivalent circuit diagram of the synchronous motor part. We have a permanent magnet. This is your synchronous impedance, and this is your terminal voltage, supply terminal voltage, supply from the current source inverter, that is IS. This is your terminal voltage. This is your back EMF, rotor part, and it connected to the pulley or shaft, okay, to the load. This is your Thevenin equivalent voltage. If we convert the Norton equivalent circuit, this voltage and this resistance change into the current source, that is if equal to EF upon J axis. So IF value, IF equal to EF upon J axis, and this J axis series resistance, this is parallel to this IF current, and this current source is already exists. तो टोटल करंट IM इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, IS प्लस IF, that is IM इक्वल टू IS प्लस IF. IM is magnetizing current. So this is Thevenin and Norton equivalent of the PMSM motor. Okay, now come to the phasor diagram part. In the phasor diagram, we have to neglect the resistance of the machine. Okay, that is resistance is small, we neglect, and we discuss with the synchronous reactance. So this is your D axis part. In D axis part, we have represent the field current. In the quadrature axis, we represent the EMF generated, which is on the x-axis, quadrature axis. Okay, and this is your magnetizing current, and that is lagged by the EMF. So resultant sum of this represent the IS source. Okay, the angle between the terminal voltage and the EF is called an torque angle delta, power angle delta, and the angle between IS and IF represent the delta prime. This is represent the angle between IS and IF represent delta prime. The angle between IS and EF represent delta prime minus pi by 2, because the angle between EF and IF is 90 degree. This is your delta prime. So this angle IS and EF delta prime minus pi by 2. This is delta, that means torque angle or delta power angle. Hence we neglect the resistance of the winding we write the power equation, that is no loss, that is we have to give input that convert into the power output. The P input equal to P output equal to, this is if we suppose that this is 3 phase, तो 3 into voltage into current into cos phi, ठीक है. तो EF into IS into cos angle between this EF and IS. The angle between IS and EF delta prime minus pi by 2. तो cos delta prime minus pi by 2, it converts sin delta prime. Okay, तो 3 EF excess sin delta. Okay, if we put the value of EF, तो EF की put the value IF excess, तो 3 excess IF excess sin delta. Okay, neglect the losses. If we represent the torque equation equal to P output upon omega m. Omega m, this is your mechanical speed or rotor speed. तो P output पर क्या है, 3 excess IF IS sin delta divided by omega Rm. Okay, if we suppose a constant value of this, तो K times IF times IS times sin delta prime. At the steady state, we XS equal to omega s into Ls. Okay, at steady state, and there is a relation between mechanical speed and the electrical speed, omega Rm equal to omega R divided by P by 2. Okay, this is the important relation between the electrical and mechanical speed. तो total torque equal to K IF SS sin delta prime. ठीक है. Here we use on the rotor permanent magnet, that is your fixed part. So that's we IF also contains in the constant form. So IF take a constant, that's why torque equal to KF into IS into sin delta prime. So this is your torque equation. T equal to KF IS sin delta prime. Okay, if we want to find the maximum torque per ampere, that is we put the value of sin delta maximum value, that is plus minus pi by 2. If the T max value calculate, T max equal to plus minus KF IS, we put the value sin delta prime, that is 1 and minus 1, so plus minus KF into IS. Positive sign for forward motoring mode and negative sign means forward braking mode. Okay, so now we discuss motoring operation and braking operation. The phasor diagram for motoring operation, we find the value of T max equal to plus KF IS. Okay, and this is your phasor diagram, D axis and quadrature axis. In the D axis we represent the field current, and the quadrature axis, here the maximum value occurs when the sin delta is maximum 90 degree, that is and the angle between the IS and source current and stator current versus field current, the angle between this plus pi by 2. Okay, here IS और EF ये आपका है. तो if we apply the KVL equation, तो EF plus J IX is equal to V terminal voltage. Okay, this results in unity internal power factor, that is the angle between the IS and EF is 0 degree, that is unity power factor. However, the external power factor means terminal voltage V and the angle between terminal voltage V and IS is theta, that is some lagging. Okay, so that's why we use a terminology internal power factor and external power factor. Internal power factor we represent with the angle between IS and EF, and in the external power factor terminal voltage V and IS. For the braking operation, the torque is negative, that is delta prime equal to minus pi by 2, sine of minus pi by 2 equal to minus 1, that is torque equal maximum equal to minus KF into IS. That is, in this case the torque is negative and the total energy goes feedback to the supply, that is power feedback to the supply in the braking mode. Okay, the phasor diagram for braking operation, in this mode the field current versus and stator current the is minus pi by 2. So this is your d axis, this is your quadrature axis. In the d axis if represent here ef, and the angle between the if and versus and source current and stator current is minus pi by 2. So here we represent this side plus pi by 2, this represent minus pi by 2. This is your source current, okay. Is minus represent minus is. So this the angle between is and if is pi by 2. This minus is represent the minus pi by 2. So total resultant is this one, okay. And the KVL equation we find this manner, okay. Here induced EMF and source current are in phase opposition EF and IS के बीच में just opposite, and that is cos pi equal to -1. In this case power is fed back to the supply system, that is kinetic energy of the rotor is fed back to the electrical source, okay. Another process, another operation is field weakening process. If we want to control the speed above the synchronous speed, we go for the field weakening process. It is used for the higher speed. For field weakening process, flux is reduced, that is Im is reduced, that is magnetizing current equal to stator current and source current plus field current. If we Im reduce, that is If reduce. In the wound field machine, synchronous machine, we apply the technique to decrease in the magnetizing current, decreasing magnetizing current by the field current, okay. But in PMSM motor, because there is a permanent magnet on the rotor, we can't decrease the field current because rotor is fixed and it is mounted on the with the permanent magnet. That's why field current is constant. We cannot decrease the magnetizing current by the field current. तो हम कैसे इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं field weakening process? We apply the field weakening process by the Im delta, Im prime. That is, we increase the angle between the delta prime. If we here KCL equation Im equal to Is plus If, this is your phasor diagram, this is your d axis, this is quadrature axis. On the d axis field current is present, on the quadrature axis this is your EF, this is your source current. If we break the source current into two parts, that is vertical component and horizontal component. If we increase the vertical component in opposite of the field current, this field current is decreased, that's why Im is decreased, that's why weakening of the field current, okay. In this machine there is a permanent magnet on the rotor, we cannot directly reduce the field current. We apply some method to decrease the field current by the breaking the source current vertically to oppose the field current. By opposing or suppressing the field current value, we decrease the Im value, and if this vertical component, that is ISY, is increased, Is move to upward because Is is resultant of the If plus Im is resultant of the If plus Is, okay. If we increase the vertical value, that is ISY, this Is value goes to the upside, okay. This Is value goes upside. If we Is goes upside, this angle, the angle between Is and If, that is delta prime, is increasing. So in this PMSM motor, for finding the weakening process, that is अगर हम फील्ड weakening process करना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो we apply we apply the large angle of delta prime. This source current has a two component, a vertical component and horizontal component. वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट को इंक्रीज करके हम मैग्नेटाइजिंग करंट को कम करेंगे, दैट इज फील्ड वीकनिंग प्रोसेस. तो दैट इज आई एम इक्वल टू आई एस प्लस आई एफ. दिस आई एस हैज ए टू पार्ट, आई एस एस प्लस आई एस वाई, एंड दिस इज सप्रेसिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि दीज आर द अपोज इन द फेज. आई एस वाई अप साइड, आई एफ इज डाउन साइड. टोटल इज रिड्यूस, दैट्स वाई आई एम इज डिक्रीज. That's why IM is reduced, so speed is increased. Hence magnetic current is reduced by the increasing angle delta prime by keeping terminal voltage constant. Okay, this is the steady state analysis. For the dynamic state analysis, we go for vector control of PMSM motor. In next lecture we have to discuss dynamic state analysis. Okay, thank you class.